हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मेडिकल ट्यूबर में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है छत्तीसगढ़ व्यापम के द्वारा जो फॉरेंसिक डिपार्टमेंट का एप्लीकेशन का पोस्ट आया हुआ है उसके लिए हम वीडियो लेके आए हैं। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फॉरेंसिक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए एक फॉरेंसिक जो सब्जेक्ट दिया हुआ है फ्रेंड्स, उससे रिलेटेड हम MCQs लेके आए हैं, जिसका पहला पार्ट मैंने ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक यहाँ अपलोड कर चुका है, जिसका मैं वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पर लिंक दे दूंगा, वहां से आप इसको देख सकते हैं, या फिर मैं स्क्रॉल करके आपको एक एक करके क्वेश्चन आंसर दिखाने वाला हूं। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करेंगे या फिर आप यूट्यूब पे सर्च करेंगे तो यूट्यूब पे आपको ये पहला वीडियो मिलेगा जिसमें मैंने फॉरेंसिक से रिलेटेड MCQs आपको बताए हैं छत्तीसगढ़ व्यापम के एग्जाम्स के लिए, जो FDLT। तो फ्रेंड्स, 2024 के लिए जो एग्जाम आने वाला है तो उसका यहाँ सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने यह क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हुआ है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 यहाँ तक मैंने आपको पूरा दिखा चुका हूँ और एक वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 से हम स्टार्ट कर देंगे और आज का क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड चूज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट है, रेक्टिफाइड स्पिरिट इज नॉट यूज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव फॉर वाइसरा इन फिनॉल पॉइजनिंग। एंड सेकेंड है, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड आर सोल्यूबल इन रेक्टिफाइड स्पिरिट। इसके ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, both statement are wrong. B statement first is correct and second is wrong. Both statement are correct and second is not the explain for first. And D, both statements are correct and second is the explain for first. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वह आंसर नंबर डी है। both statement are correct, दोनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं, and second is the explanation for first. Next questions, a psychiatrist is asked to disclose a patient communication made during a consultation by the police. Which of the following is the most appropriate response? Option number A, disclose the communication as it is relevant to the case. B, refuse to disclose citing professional secrecy. And C, disclose the communication to the defense lawyer. And D, none of the above. And correct answer is the B, refuse to disclose citing professional secrecy. Next, an exception for professional misconduct. Option number A, it concerns violation of code of ethics in medical practice. And B, charge is brought before court of law. C, appeals are made to the central government. And option number D, 2 and 3. And correct answer number is B, charge is brought before court of law. Next questions, which of the following element is not required to prove negligence in a civil case? Option number A, duty of care. B, intent to cause harm. B, C, breach of duty. And D, damage. Correct answer number is B, intent of cause harm. Next, a patient who neglect a wound on his foot caused by doctor's negligence, which in turn lead to aggravation of the damage, result in amputation of the foot, will not be entitled to recover damage under option number A, contributory negligence. B, doctrine of avoidable consequence rule. And C, composite negligence. And D, novus actus interveniens. And correct answer number is B, in last clear chance doctrine. Option number A, limit the scope of contributory negligence as defense by the doctor. B, an related action intervening which worsens the patient's condition. C. In case where some degree of risk may be inevitable, they will act as a good defense for the doctor. And option number D, the complaint should not be entertained as it has already been tried by a court of law. Correct answer number is A. Next, consent of a insane person is invalid according to section 88 IPC, B section 92 IPC, C section 90 IPC and D section 89 IPC. Correct answer number C, section 90 IPC. Next, a doctor takes consent before surgical procedure and he may go beyond the consent if he feels that it is needed for the patient's benefit is termed as option number A, tacit consent, B, explicit consent, C, doctrine of anticipation and D, doctrine of extended consents. And correct answer number is D. Next questions. Punishment for causing death by medical negligence is by section 304 A IPC, section 304B IPC, section 302 IPC and section 338 IPC. And correct answer is answer number A, section 34A IPC. Regarding State Medical Council, all are true except option number A, duration of the office is for a maximum period for 5 years. B, power to issue professional death sentence. C, to conduct medical research and D, ensuring patient safety and quality of care. And correct answer number is C, to conduct medical research. Next, a doctor is legally bounded to report option number A, cause of the suspected poisoning, B, cause of the notifiable disease, C, cause of suspected abuse and D, all of the above. And correct answer number is D. Next questions. If a patient's request for his medical record is should be issued within option number A, 36 hours, B, 48 hours, C, 72 hours and D, 7 days. And correct answer is C, 72 hours. Next questions. Consent is not required in medical examination of option number A, arrested person, B, statutory medical examination in armed forces and C, handlers of food and dairyman and D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Next, Bolam test is applicable in option number A, DNA tapping, B, medical negligence, C, fingerprint analysis and D, age determination. And correct answer is B, medical negligence. Next, an exception of res IPSA liquor option number A, occurrence of utero-vesical fistula in repeated cesarean section, B, surgical amputation of wrong limb, C, loss of use of hand due to prolonged splinting and D, both 1 and 2. And correct answer number is A, occurrence of utero-vesical fistula in repeated cesarean section. तो फ्रेंड्स पार्ट 2 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 तक, पार्ट 3 लेके आऊँगा 31 से लेके 45 तक। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी। दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। गुड डे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।